Now, I've always been fascinated in software, this concept that it has to be 10 times better than what someone already has if you're going to convince them to switch over. Now, it makes sense, right? Because it's based on the fact that the benefits you offer have to far outweigh the risks that your customer could take on. So I'm going to show you a new solution we developed here to undoLogic. It's a digital signage solution. It features mobile handoff. It actually can be converted to remote terminals, so securely people can get access to your company info on a remote terminal, and you can even convert it to a secure Linux workstation. So let's see if this really is 10 times better than what already is out there. Now, number one is mobile handoff. Now, there's a lot of solutions right now. They look cool. Either they're on the screen or you can even interact with them, but they don't tend to have a way to take that information on the go. So we built a platform that's all in one. It gives the same experience on the screen and in your phone, and it allows to generate QR codes automatically on that solution. So you can scan what you were looking at, and then that specific thing you then take and continue walking in the shopping center. It's really cool, and it really bridges the gap between these different segmented systems. Now, number two is a non-technical content management system. You don't want anything technical. You want something that you log into a portal, you click change, you modify some content, change a price, duplicate a slide, add a new picture. That should just be done easy without any technical experience. But what our team does on the back end, we ensure that that system remains stable on the back end. Okay, number three, it's multilingual editing. So what we provide is the ability to have side-by-side content in various languages. We give you an AI assistance to translate between the different languages really easy. And then this way you can really manage multiple languages on one system. Number four is custom. So what we've done is we've developed 4 base kind of directions. Either you have a slideshow, just some rotations, or you have a digital menu with prices, maybe for a restaurant. Number 3, we have a digital directory. So let's say you want to look up various information securely from your company that you want to offer. Or 4 is just an information billboard style, content rotating, etc. But this is just the beginning. This is a flexible foundation that we then work with you to adjust exactly how you want to meet your vision. Number 5 is deployments. We offer 2 types. Either cloud, that's fast, just connect your internet connection and then you're online. But if you want something a bit more robust and stable and long-term, we offer a solution where we can install everything local, everything gets pulled down from the server, and then it runs without any internet connection moving forward. Obviously, the updates can still come, but the actual system keeps running on its own. So that's just great for long-term stability or in an environment where you don't want to be disrupted by small little issues with your internet or network activity. The next thing's a little geeky and nerdy, but it's really important. So what it is we built our solution on an immutable Linux, and this means that anytime there's a change in the operating system, we create a restore point, and it's possible without any technical experience to actually roll back to a previous point. So this allows your team to, if there ever is an issue with your computer, with an update, you can literally go back to the older version that was stable at that point in time easily. So now this leads to number 7. Now, unfortunately, as you know, computers do die sometimes. Sometimes you just can't fix them. So what we've done is we've developed our system at the core to be able to re-provision a brand new device for you and then sync all the content you've been working on from the cloud into your device. And what this is amazing is then we can provision the whole new device, send it out to you, and then your team just has to unplug a cable, plug the HDMI cable into the new box, and you're back up and running where you were. You don't have to worry about hiring a technician to come in, fix content, transfer over. There's nothing to transfer because it all gets pulled from our cloud server. Even the local installation, it'll always have a remote backup of all of your content. Number 8, the way we are able to do all this device handoffs and all these cool things is at the core, we built our solution on a web technology. It gives us greater customization. We can give exactly what you want visually. We're not locked down to these obscure languages that make it really hard to do customizations. And it gives you broad device compatibility, works on phones, tablets, big screens, small screens, etc. And it actually, in the long term, it'll give us less technical debt to maintain for the long term of your solution. Number 9, there's another geeky and another nerdy one again. So what we did is we open sourced the core of our product. We based this on an Aurora Immutable Linux, which is based originally on the Fedora Silver Blue. And this is Immutable Linux. It gives us rollback technologies. It also gives us access to this community of amazing tech. Now, the reason we did that is it gives you flexibility to maintain your own system. So it means that you can take these solutions and then your tech team can modify this system in line with what they need. Finally, number 10 is expand. This system can start small, just a very simple, rotating banners with your corporate messaging. Pretty soon you can move into remote terminals so customers can get access securely to some data you want to offer. Then it can even go to a secure Linux workstation. This system can grow with you, and then we can actually script these systems in line with your corporate needs, and that allows you to spin up all these new versions of computers based on a script. It's really powerful. It lowers the burden for your tech team to keep things updated, and it allows you to actually redeploy and just kind of get things up and running very quickly. The sky really is the limit on this. Okay, there it is. So the next step is we'd love to hear from you. What kind of challenges are you going through? What's working? What's not working? What are you trying to accomplish? And let's see if there may be something we can help you develop in line with your vision. Check out our new microsite, digi-display.com, fill out the intake form, and we can set up a strategy session, really dig in, brainstorm together, just about what kind of technology could really help your company. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll talk soon.